Hey, this is Shimanto and I'm going to walk you through Aymo AI, which is an all-in-one AI platform that provides you with all the leading AI models in one single space.
So, type in aymo.ai in any one of your browsers and that should take you to our landing page. And once you're in our landing page, you can click on Get Started or sign in if you don't have any account. After signing in, like any other AI aggregator, Aymo gives you the top leading AI models in the market, from ChatGPT to Grok to Gemini and to GLM, even the new HY3. You can also attach your files and select whether the AI model will go for a deep analysis or a web search.
With our compare mode, you can run the same prompt across multiple AI models at the same time. You can use compare mode and see your answers side by side. This makes it much easier to compare tone, quality, detail, and accuracy. This will mostly help content writers or copywriters who need multiple versions of their copy to finalize a first draft. So, moving on to our most beloved feature, which is team collaboration. Because team collaboration is important when it comes to improving your workflow efficiency. So, you can add your team members at the same account and work together in one shared space. The best part is, Aymo doesn't charge for any additional team members that you're adding. That's the big difference from tools like ChatGPT, where you are charged with $20 per team member you add in that one account. So if you have writers, designers, coders, and marketeers all under one roof, you can bring them together in one space without ever worrying about the cost. And if you look at the sidebar, we have given a feature called Projects that keeps your chat bar more organized and clean. Inside each organization, you can keep your chat history arranged as you plan. So when your chat bar is getting overloaded with conversations, you can simply add any chat session under the desired project, which saves you from searching through multiple chats and wasting your time. This makes Aymo easy to use as your chat history grows bigger and bigger every single session. Another feature that I really like is organizations. This helps you keep different projects, teams, and products separate from each other. For example, if your company has two products named Aymo and Meku, you can create a separate organization for Aymo and a separate organization for Meku. That means the chats, files, prompts, and chat history for Aymo stays in Aymo organization, and the work for Meku stays inside the Meku organization. So nothing gets mixed up and your team knows where to find the right thing at the right time. So let's say you're writing an article and you don't know your first prompt. For that, Aymo has your prompt library, which is great if you use the same prompt over and over again. You get access to curated and ready-to-use prompts for different projects. And you can also save your own prompts so you don't have to write the same instructions every single time. Next we have is the personalization page. This is where you can tell Aymo a little bit about yourself, where you work, and how you want your AI to respond. For example, you can add your name, your role, and a short description of what you do. You can also add custom instructions like keep the answers short, use bullet points, or write in a casual tone. Once this is saved, Aymo can use this preference across all chats. So instead of repeating every minor instructions, you save it once and Aymo commands the AI to follow it every single time. Another useful feature is BYOK, which is bring your own key. This lets you connect your own API keys from your supported AI providers. So, if your company already has an API access, you can use your own billing and your own limits inside Aymo. So, who is Aymo for? Aymo is most useful for content teams, marketing teams, agencies, founders, or anyone who uses multiple AI models every single day. Because it saves you from the subscription hassle that you have to go through for single AI providers if you're using multiple AI models. It's also best when it comes to keeping your data in one single chat box, so you don't have to feed information to every single conversation when you're having with an AI model. So this is Aymo AI. If you've liked it so far, go to our pricing page and you can try it out for free, and let us know what you think about it in the comment section.